From waking up to getting something done, there is always a small journey associated with the actions. Generally, every journey will have a goal, and it's over as soon as one's at the end. But I believe the real people who understand the concept of a journey would not consider the goal as its end point. Out of the ordinary, there exist a few people who understand the value of the journey. People who don't chase goals. People who have time to look outside of the bubble and see the process. Not everyone is capable of witnessing how it works. I am one of the lucky ones who belong to that category. I am the one who has a journey which is purely about discovering and capturing. I am someone who is actually not afraid not to have a goal, but really blessed to have a journey. I am basically a painter, a storyteller, a poet. I get to see and experience through what I do. Whether it's to see and capture the motion of the city to the hustle of the daily fighters, or whether it is to take some time out to thank nature for the gift that they provide us with, whether it's about making connections and feeling emotions, I do it all. Not to be a millionaire, not to be someone famous, I will give all the above in an instant just to be a learner. I make what I think is lovely. I paint what I think is wonderful. From light to dark, from an unknown story to an art piece. It's not easy, it's not same, but the energy keeps me insane. Waking up every day just to make the feeling say, thank you for capturing, for making it worth remembering. Not everything is fine. The journey can be hard sometimes. But I've seen things work out, for a life journey full of hustle to the journey of someone who's living in a flower bowl. It can be as smooth as a train. Stick tight to it in order to retain. But you know what separates me from all? Maybe not having the need to get it all. What I've learned so far is not enough, but I will keep pushing until I leave no stones unturned. I will still wake up and go out on my journey every day, maybe so I can find your story someday.